This is Sujin Song. I'm going to talk about new products and its product life cycle for the chapter 9 of Marketing 101. In this chapter, we'd like to look into two product topics: developing new products, managing products through their life cycles. New product development is risky, and many new products fail. So, the first part of this chapter lays out a process for finding and growing successful new products. In the second part of the chapter, we'll see that every product passes through the several life cycle stage and what are the challenges posed by each stage and what are the different marketing tactics and strategy to overcome the issues. Before we fully begin the conceptualization, I'd like to explain on the stories about Samsung. Samsung is one of the world's largest consumer electronics companies, as you all know. It actually ranks 13th on Fortune's Global 500 companies. It's actually two spots above Apple. And they do have a lot of most innovative companies mixture on the list of their lineup. Samsung has been dominant in recent years at the International Design Excellence Awards (IDA) presentation. It's like the Academy Awards of the design world. And the judges of that IDA presentation, they evaluate new products based on appearance, functionality, and inspirational thinking. For the past 3 years, Samsung has been the top winner, which actually more than twice as many awards as the next runner-up. Samsung kind of knows that today's gotta have it items can be tomorrow's has been. So they're constantly looking for the next big thing, regardless of the product category. So the team of market intelligence, product innovation around the globe continual research, product usage, purchase behavior, and lifestyle trends, looking for the consumer insight and innovative ways to meet consumers' new needs. 20 years ago, few people would have predicted that Samsung could have transformed itself so quickly and completely from a low-cost copycat manufacturer, because back then we just copied Japanese or German manufacturers' industry product with a lower price. So copycat manufacturer was the perceived positioning of the Samsung just about 20 years ago or so. But now it becomes world-leading innovator of stylish, high-performing, premium product. By what? By how? A dedication to customer-focused new product innovation. That's exactly what Samsung has done. And even recently, few would have predicted that Samsung would be a driving force behind creating a digitally interconnected world. But Samsung seems well on its way to accomplishing that as well. So before we talk about new product innovation, let me show you the video clip on Samsung's innovation and how stylish it is. So why don't you stop on this video clip and click the second one that has explained Samsung's product lineup using the just recent exhibit. Okay, please pause here and go back to watch Samsung's video clip and then come back to see the case study questions. Okay, have you watched it? What do you think? Can you describe Samsung's secret innovation? What exactly does it do better than its competitors? Using your common sense, using the media news, and using the video clip that you just watched, and using the browsing the corporate website, what do you think about that? What are the secret to innovation? How does Samsung thrive in its competitive new product development environment? Recall the quote from Samsung CEO, "We have to show consumer what's in it for them and what the Internet of Things, 사물 인터넷, can achieve to transform our economy, society, and how we live our lives." Do you agree with this business approach? Please explain. Once you identify the answers for this, when we meet in the offline class, we can discuss further to share your insight and thought, gut feelings with your partner and team members. The first chapter objectives is how companies find and develop new products. Can you guess what are the ways? The ways that one company can obtain two new products are two, through acquisition or through new product development efforts. In this chapter, we'd like to concentrate on new product development approach. New products are important to both customers and the marketers who serve them because it brings new solutions and variety to customers' lives. And it becomes a key source of growth for companies. Because the environment are so quickly, fastly changing, many companies rely on new products for the majority of their growth. However, this innovation can be very expensive and very risky. According to the one research, it says 66% of all new products fail within 2 years. Why do so many new products fail? What do you think? What are the reasons that they fail so much? Like 66% of all new products failed within 2 years. Can you recall any new products that you have encountered recently and it's disappeared from the market quickly? I know one, something like wine 냉장고, wine refrigerator, wine cooler in Korea. It's not very successful so far. There are several reasons we can say. One could be overestimated market size. Two could be poor product design. Three, or incorrect positioning, timing issue, pricing issue, advertising issue. So, companies face the problem. They must develop new products, but they have to make it successful. So to create successful new products, company must understand its customers, market, competitors, and develop products that deliver superior value to customers, as you all know. Okay, the next slide will explain the steps involved in the new product development processes. It could be used for the tangible product, but it could be used for the service orientational product companies or other idea generation companies. So apply these processes into your own enterprise, organization, groups, or business plan ideas. Company must carry out strong new product planning and set up a systemic, customer-driven new product development process for finding and growing new products. And this figure 9.1 shows the 8 major steps in the process. Idea generation, screening, concept development, marketing strategy development, business analysis, product development, test marketing, commercialization. Regarding the product ideas, new product development starts with good new product ideas, lots of them. So many consumers, companies, oriented to have crowdsourcing challenge. For example, Cisco's iPrize crowdsourcing challenge attracted 824 ideas from 2,900 innovators representing more than 156 countries. So they tried to collect new product ideas for the best one. The remaining steps are, since you collected a lot, now it's time to reduce the number of ideas and develop only the best ones into the profitable products. So here's the case that you can generate ideas. There are two sources available, internal one and external one. The internal sources refer that the company can find new ideas through former R&D department. However, only 33% of companies surveyed the traditional R&D as the leading source of innovation ideas. So what happened? What can you bring? New idea. Beyond this internal R&D process, company can pick the brains of its own people, like executive, salesperson, scientist, engineer, manufacturing steps. And many companies developed internal social networks, and entrepreneurial programs that encourage employees to develop new product ideas. Probably you all know that 3M's company, and 3M's company has Dream Days process that encourages employees to spend a portion of their working time on their own project so that they can think of innovative ideas that result in many other successful products. And technology companies such as Facebook, Twitter also sponsor periodic hackathons in which employees take day or week away from their day-to-day work to develop new ideas. So many social media networks, professional companies hold monthly day offs, hacker days, hackathons, encourage employees to work on whatever they want that will benefit the company. So that's internal source utilization. What about the external idea sources generation? For example, distributors, who are the external partners, are very close to the market. They can pass along information about consumer programs and new product possibility. For example, when I was working for the P&G as a marketer, there are reports coming from the RM, who are actually external partner and supported at the supermarket. They meet consumers periodically, everyday basis. They also see, the monitor, the competitive action, how competitors react to the market, what are the new innovations comes from the nearby industry, nearby product category, or direct competitor. They can also check price promotion, product promotion, something like that. And they can give us information, what should be the workable ideas, what should be potential to have for big market success. Competitors are another important source. Companies watch competitors' advertisement to get clues about their new products. They buy competing new products and take them apart to see how they work, analyze their sales, and decide whether they should bring out a new product of their own. Other idea sources include trade magazines, shows, websites, and seminars, government agency, advertising agency, marketing research companies such as ACE Nielsen, university. University has expertise on the certain technology, innovation, commercial laboratories, and inventors as well. And perhaps the most important source would be customer themselves, right? So company can analyze customer feedback, questions, CRM department, complaint to find new products that better solve consumer problems. Okay? For example, Lego, the toy company, toy block company, has a website. They invite users to submit ideas for the Lego set of their dreams and to vote for other users' ideas. And ideas supported by 10,000 votes are reviewed internally with a chance of being put into production. So you can say external partner like distributor and the competitor and the consumers can be the source of the new product idea. So if you want to reach globally or outwardly in a greater scale, you can consider to have crowdsourcing. This can produce unexpected and powerful new ideas. It's a flood of innovative ideas. In fact, opening the floodgates to anyone and everyone can overwhelm the company with ideas, and some good and some bad. So you have to decide which one should adopt or not. So truly innovative companies do not rely on only one source. Typically, they do use multiple sources for the new product ideas. So here is the example to generate external ideas. It's called Innocentive. I'm going to create another video clip that shows the Innocentive. Check that video clip to see how it happens, what it occurs for the Innocentive. Okay, so why don't you stop this video clip once again and check the Innocentive website. Okay, then we can continue to talk about it.